Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel GK Update with Unnati. So in today's video, we will discuss top 40 most important question and answers of Indian history. And here is the first question. The Indus Valley civilization was characterized, and the answer is organized urban life, whose idol was an important creation of the people of Indus Valley civilization. And the answer is dancer statue. Who among the following was the founder of yoga? And the answer is Patanjali. Maharishi Gautam is related to which Indian philosophy? And the answer is justice. Which metal was first used by the Vedic people? And the answer is copper. The era of Harappa civilization was? And the answer is Bronze Age. The first city to be explored in India was? And the answer is Harappa. Who was the first grammarian of Sanskrit language? And the answer is Panini. Who is the author of Panchtantra? And the answer is Vishnu Sharma. Where did Lord Buddha take his last breath? And the answer is Kushinagar. Who was the ruler who killed his father Bhimsara to sit on the throne? And the answer is Ajatashatru. After the Maurya dynasty, which dynasty ruled over Magad? And the answer is Sunga. Who is also known as Light of Asia? And the answer is Mahavir Swami. The word Tirthankar is related to which religion? And the answer is Jainism. Which ruler established Vikramshila University, famous for Buddhist followers? And the answer is Dharmapal. Who among the following foreign travelers visited India first? And the answer is Megasthenes. Kautilya was the prime minister. And the answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Junagadh inscription is related to? And the answer is Rudradaman. The great Kushan ruler who adopted Buddhism? And the answer is Kanishk. In which year did Muhammad bin Qasim conquer Sindh? And the answer is 1712 BC. The king who was called Napoleon of India due to his policies of expansion was? And the answer is Samudragupta. In whose court did the poet Kalidas live? And the answer is Chandragupta Vikramaditya. The oldest university is? And the answer is Nalanda. Which of the following Pratihar rulers established the present city of Bhopal? And the answer is Mihir Bhoj. Where is Hampi, the ancient capital of Vijayanagar, located? And the answer is Karnataka. Who among the following was defeated by Prithviraj Chauhan in the first battle of? And the answer is Muhammad Ghori. Which Sultan of Delhi had adopted the policy of iron blood? And the answer is Balban. Who among the following attacked the Somnath temple? And the answer is Mahmud Ghazni. The famous traveler Marco Polo was a resident of which country? And the answer is Italy. Who was known as Second Alexander? And the answer is Aluddin Khilji. Who established the Sayyid dynasty? And the answer is Khizr Khan. By whom was the Lodi dynasty established? And the answer is Behlul Lodi. In which year did the first battle of Panipat take place? And the answer is 1526. Who was the founder of Agra city? And the answer is Sikandar Lodi. Who among the following was given the title of Sultan Buland Iqbal by Shah Jahan? And the answer is Dara. Charminar was built by whom? And the answer is Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. Battle of Haldi Ghati was fought in the year? And the answer is 1576. Who shifted the capital of the Mughal Empire from Agra to Delhi? And the answer is Shah Jahan. Where is Babar's body buried as per his wish? And the answer is Kabul. And the last 40th question, which was the second capital of Akbar? And the answer is Fatehpur Sikri.